Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit subscribe. Show your girls some love and support on this channel. A safe space for everyone included, no matter who you are, because love is always love as always. On this channel, safe space, okay? No one's perfect. We're gonna have fun, play with colors, makeup. Makeup is for everyone, no matter the gender, race, ethnicity, background, disability, who you love, or how you identify as. Okay, your gender doesn't matter. Be you. Have fun. Okay, too much blush, too much highlight, it doesn't matter. If you mess up, that's okay, because no one's perfect. Just have fun, okay? It's just makeup, and it comes right off. You can always practice. So I got these palettes here. I'm gonna use 4 palettes to create this cute look that I did. With this palette first, I'm gonna mix the two match together, and because since the matte in here, the shades are a little more lighter. The one from this Creepy Cute palette is a little more pigmented, so I'm going to use them together, mix them, and use a little bit from this Creepy Cute palette part 2, and use some shimmers from this palette, and also this one, the 𝕲𝖏𝖏𝖔𝖚𝖚𝑑𝖎𝖒𝖐𝐵 Eyeshadow Palette Oden plus Thefancyface Tina. In this palette, I'm going to use only 2 shimmers in here. I'm just going to use this one, which is Tropics. And this gorgeous, beautiful, pinky, purpley duochrome shift, called Fancy. That's like in the inner portion of my eye. And I'm going to use this one in the outer part. I'm going to mix with some shimmers from this palette. I'm going to use probably this one, a little bit of this one. But I just love this shade. It's like my favorite. I would love to get a second palette because it's really pretty. I'm going to use this, and highlight. I might use this purpley one too. I'm going to mix this, and these two with the other mattes from the Creepy Cute palette. I'm also happy to have this in my collection. Creepy Cute from Shroud Cosmetics. I'm going to use the matte in here, mix it with other shades from the Peachy Queen Y2K palette. Use 1, 2, just these 2 right here. And in here, I'm going to use the yellow, because the yellow is way too pale, so I'm going to use this one on top of it, mix it together. And this shade, and maybe this one a little bit. So anyway, yeah, I got my makeup, got lipsticks. I got this blue lipstick from Maybelline, it's the old lipstick I have. And I might use that with this liquid lip from GlamGhoulBoutique. Siren is a beautiful blue shade, I love blue. I have some liquid liners to use, and a cream gel liner from Amazon that I got. And I might add a lip gloss on top of it, because since it's a liquid matte, it will dry up. So I'm going to use this just a little bit on top to make it more glossy. I got my blushes, everything here. Okay, good to go. Start this makeup look, and hopefully you guys like it. I'm not a pro doing makeup. I'm not the best. I try my best, okay? I try. That's all I can do is try my best. Hey, it's my face, it's my eyes, it's my makeup. I don't do my makeup, however, I want to do my own makeup, okay? So, yeah, stay tuned to watch my makeup video.
By your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. Let's sail across the beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high. keeps me high. I hope you still want me, I hope you still need me a million years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading, it's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah. Call me when you want, baby, can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah. Call me when you want, baby, can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright, you guys, I'm finished with my makeup look. I think it's super cute, very soft, pastel colors, you know, yellow, seafoam, blue, green type of colors, a little bit of purple, and some duochrome shift action on the lid, in the corner highlight. It does give me a little bit of like SpongeBob vibes, a little bit. But you know, I wanted to try something different, add some yellow to bluish teal, not teal, but like a blue seafoam kind of colors. It's so cute, with a bold blue lip, using this deep, bold lipstick. It's by Maybelline Sapphire Siren. Bold, deep, deep blue color as a base. because this color blue is very, it's like soft. It's not as deep as this one, but I like it that way. I like that this one by itself. It's like really pretty, very soft light blue. I like that. But I wanted to like use them together, and that they came out pretty cute. And a little bit of shimmer on top of that, just a little bit. And this one just like dabbing around my lips. What do you guys think of my look? I absolutely love it. Also, you know, NYX glitter primer is amazing. Definitely like get your hands on this if you don't have it in your collection, because this just works with shimmers, especially if it's like taupery shimmers or like duochromes. It just makes it pack a punch on your eye. You can see it way more sparkly. Like, ooh. And if you may or may not know, I do have an affiliate code with GlamGhoulBoutique. This is the liquid lip Siren. It's the packaging of it. I keep it in the packaging because I don't want to throw it away. I want to keep it, you know, for as long as I can. You know, if it gets broken, you know, I'll throw it away. But like for recycle, I'll recycle it. I have a code. You can use my code @SpeedGirlMelissa to get 10% off your order on GlamGhoulBoutique website on any products. Also, I have affiliate code with Y2K Cosmetics as well. Use my code @SpeedGirlMelissa to get 10% off your order with my code, okay? So, some indie brands down below. Use my affiliate code, okay? It really does help me out. Show love and support you guys. I love playing with makeup and colors. It's just like, this, like all this, everything. Using these palettes today to create this look, you know, just mixing the shades. I mean, I could just use this by itself, but like I wanted to use the shimmers as well in here, and it just gave me the idea to just use all of them. This is like the best Peachy Queen palette I've ever had, especially with duochromes. They're so soft, like a butter soft. You know, I hit pan. I want more of this shade called Aim. And look how cute this is, like a little laptop, you know, Y2K palette. This is so adorable. I love it. Early 2000 vibes. This is a really great palette to use, and by itself it's really pretty. I have made a look with this palette, I made a video with this palette. Check it out in my channel, okay? I'll probably leave it like down below or at the end of my video if you watch it all the way through. Thank you. This Oden's Eye. This is not available anymore. The Oden's Eye collab with 2 other YouTubers. So beautiful. I have this, and I also have Annette's palette as well. I didn't get the other palette because it was sold out, so I got 2 of them. They do have more collabs with other YouTubers. The one I wanted the most was from Baddie Bean. I don't know if it's still available anymore. I'm not sure, but I think it's limited edition. Limited edition. Oh, I love Baddie Bean. I watch her all the time. She's my favorite. And Ali Dawson, 𝕲𝖆𝖒𝖔𝖚𝑑𝖎𝖒. I think that's saying her last name. I'm so sorry if I say her last name wrong. I'm very sorry. Heather. So many others I like to watch. Not just like makeup artists or makeup, you know, YouTubers who love makeup, playing with colors. But also like to watch people react to movies, commentary, stuff like that. I like to watch because it's just fun to watch them react to movies. If it's horror movies, funny comedy movies, you know, it's just fun. So yeah, I hope you guys like my makeup look. Try my very best. Okay, links down below for more information, for more videos. Follow me on my TikTok and Instagram. I have a new TikTok account, okay? So please follow me. The link is down below in my description. Just check it out, the link to all of my socials. Show love and support, okay? Take good care, stay safe out there. Subscribe, please subscribe. And hit the bell to get notified whenever I upload a video. Like usually once a week or twice a week, it depends, you know? I try my best. All I can do is be myself. You be yourself. Be weird. Okay, goodbye.